Why do the guys seem so miserable?
Well, because we're real people. Nobody just walks out of their house in the morning and is like, "What's up, everybody?"
Yeah. I'm gonna make $1 million on it, but me, right?
Forgot to check with what are we doing to this thing?
Texas speed cam, Texas speed headers.
Oh, really?
And that's it.
Oh, okay. Why not our cam?
I can't tell you, Steve. I don't own the vehicle.
Oh, okay. All right.
Did you have the new cam gear, or did you put it over here? Or?
I got one.
Yeah.
Oh, did you already put it in?
You need a chain to Eric or no? Yeah, because that chain.
I was gonna say, okay, I didn't. That was a whole kit, right?
Yeah.
The not so fun part. So Eric's already done the cam. Sneaker on in there. Gonna change out the valve springs, obviously, of course, as well. Cybergray C6E number 2.
Okay.
Okay. Stage 4. This one we didn't do valve covers or clutch. The last one did. This already had an intake and headers. And apparently it was tuned before because you were complaining all the check engine lights were off.
Yeah. Yep. Never know anything's wrong with it. No check engine light could ever be missed.
It's wonderful.
Where is this car from? Is it local, New Jersey or something?
Yeah, actually.
Oh, I can probably guess who it was tuned by.
Not bad so far?
No. Sure isn't. What's up? We do a clutch?
No. Last one we did.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no. Just a 530 torque though. Just good. Definitely won't be a record car.
Nah.
They all can't be record cars. Although we've had a good stint of high ones lately.
Yes, we have.
So, it's good. side done. It's good. Finish up the other side. Let's go check on Matthew. Matty, the golden boy.
Yeah.
How are you?
Alright.
Just alright. Not like fantastic. Not...
I'm never happy enough for people. I don't understand.
No, you're not.
I mean, Jesus Christ, people expect like Barney walking around.
Yeah. Well, that's YouTube personalities. We're not YouTube personalities. We're just normal people at work. People want like overly enthusiastic YouTube personalities, and that's just not how we are.
It's just not how real life is.
It's not. I agree with you.
If I got rich off making stupid YouTube videos, yeah, I'd probably be happy.
That's a good point.
I'm not, so here I am, working my ass off.
Why do you guys seem so miserable?
Well, because we're real people. Nobody just walks out of their house in the morning and is like, "What's up, everybody?"
Yeah. What's up, guys? I got to make $1 million on it, but me, right? God, like.
Oh yeah. So we did this thing about 1.5 years ago. We did a cam package, headers and whatnot. I had to look up the graph to see what it made. It made $495 before. That was a stock intake manifold, and he just put a Holley high rim on K10 throttle body.
102 throttle body.
Huh?
102 throttle body.
102 throttle body. Sorry, Nick Williams made something. So we're gonna see what it does.
We are.
Obviously, will not fit the stock hood, so you had to get a bigger hood for it as well.
Yep.
There's a drawback.
Ah, I don't know, drawback, maybe you like it. I think it's just like a Copo hood or something.
Yeah, is it? Okay.
I know that's what they need to do on the 5th gen, so I don't know.
It looks
I actually didn't even
different
see the hood, it's been opened.
It's like, it's got a big opening in the front, so I don't know. I thought the Copos were like...
Yeah, Copos I think are just a cow.
Yeah.
I could be wrong though, I don't know. Up a little horsepower, a little less torque. That's expected.
Yeah.
Up pretty good horsepower, 25.
Yep.
I don't. What was it down torque?
9.
Not terrible.
No. Now obviously we're not comparing this to an MSD, we're comparing this to a stock intake manifold.
Stock throttle body.
Stock throttle body. So
yeah.
You can deduct what you want.
Yeah.
We're not saying
also different day.
Yep.
You know, so. Up a little bit more torque there, getting closer to where it was before. Up more horsepower, another 6, close to 30. It's pretty good. Yeah, torque's pretty close to where it was in certain spots. Looks like around maybe 3,500 it like dips down on this intake, but up high it's torque and power are both up.
Yep.
So see how much torque is like above like 5,500 or whatever up.
Let's spot torque is up, not down. Here is was 419, now it is 443, so about 24 horsepower. I mean 24 torque. So not bad. Mid-range, however, it is down both horsepower and torque, about 15 horsepower and about 24 torque. So definitely mid-range, it's down quite a bit. Sucks we don't have, well, the time or whatever to put an MSD on to give a comparison. We're not going to do that, obviously.
Yeah, I don't care.
It is nice sometimes to get comparison, but as people know, we're not doing this.
We're an R&D facility and could spend a bunch of time testing 27 different manifolds. And we would do that.
Right. This YouTube is for the videoing of the cars that are in the shop.
Correct. You guys get us to like 400,000 or 500,000 subs, I'll do a whole bunch of R&D.
Yep.
Till then, YouTube doesn't pay the bills.
Yeah, we're just going to keep filming the cars that are in the shop floor work, because that is the main business. Yeah.
Well, it still did pretty good, actually.
Yeah, that's about, I expected.
I mean,
about
30 horsepower, I mean, and it looks like it's above like 50, like 400, which if you're racing, that'll be like the entire time. You shift it 7,000, it'll probably drop 1,500 or something, so come down to 5,500 or whatever. Like, it would be noticeably faster in a race, for sure. Which is what you want. And it didn't really kill any bottom end. It's making the exact same torque. Only in like one spot.
In the middle, it's down like 20.
It's not even in the middle. Like, it's before the middle. Like, it looks like it's at, I mean, you can probably switch to RPM. My guess is it looks like it's at like maybe 3,200 to like 4,200, and then it kind of stays the same after that until like maybe 5,500, and then it's an increase. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, who gives a shit if it loses 9 foot-pounds of torque at 3,200 RPM? You know what I mean?
It's true.
I'm gonna try and get it to make a little more. I'd love to see 530 with it.
Nicely done.
Yeah, I think it actually might make a little more now. I'm gonna let it cool down. I might try and make 35.
Okay. It's good to see. I mean, people are probably comparing other packages. This is cam only. No heads, no flex fuel, so I know a lot of people see our videos and they're like, well, one made 600. Well, that was a head scan. That was,
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you gotta look at mod for mod.
Yeah. Exactly. But good power. Not bad. This thing about wrapped up?
Yeah, it's close.
Oh, look at you. You can clean this engine cover off. What a nice guy.
Well, it was disgusting. So,
I'm not a big fan of those things anyways. I think
neither am I.
they look terrible. Good old heat trap.
Haven't I got you out of jail?
Would you know? Like a monster clock.
God, I gotta wait like 2 hours. It's only 2 o'clock, isn't it?
Says who? Not even.
It says me.
Yeah, it is 2 o'clock.
I got a strict schedule.
Strict, huh? Oh yeah.
This one's stuck real good. It's gonna fight me the whole way off.
Oh, maybe not that bad. Oh.
Nice.
Exciting stuff here, Matthew. Exciting stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Really bringing the energy.
Thanks.
Told you need a monster. Get a bang. It's bang o'clock. How about that?
Those colas are...
They're really good ones at first.
Yeah. First sip is like...
Colas suck.
No, they're good at first. And then you get halfway through and you're like, alright, I'm over
Yeah,
it.
it's disgusting.
What the hell am I doing here?
You got a plug stuck in the fucking valley.
Don't need that plug where we're going.
Yeah, I need a fucking warm gummy bear.
Oh, that hurts.
Try to get... Well, Eric, by the time it airs, it's going to be like 3 weeks, so you might as well just buy some.
Oh, I told you, I can't fucking find them. I told you that yesterday.
Eric and his white gummy frickin' reigns.
Every well I went into this weekend didn't have them.
Try Royal
Oh,
Farms.
you need to hit like the 7-Elevens.
Yeah, Royal Farms has a
Well, I was
bigger
at
selection.
7-Eleven and they didn't have them as well.
I guarantee I can go over here to Royal Farms and they have them. Oh, I really goobered that one up. We're keeping stock heads on here?
Yep.
We're not doing Frankenstein or anything? Okay, just checking.
S-T-O-C-K.
Ooh, Matt actually spelled something correctly! Did you see what he did there? You probably practiced that.
I actually had to think about it for a second.
I bet you did.
Wait, where's all that coming from? Ooh. Man, berry crusher.
He is ruining our cam bearings.
Anytime a cam makes any noise, the internet gets upset.
Yeah, a bunch of Jerry's.
I can put one in super quiet.
This is the people that have never put a cam in.
Yeah. I need to go get it.
I mean, I can put a cam in this thing real nice. Give me my sledgehammer.
Ooh.
Don't drop your lube, Matthew.
Yeah, you're the only one that hung out with him outside of work. Funny how that works.
Yeah, I mean, just like I hang out with you outside of work.